What's up, guys? This is Philly Storage RC. Today I had the Veeniix Starmaster V997. This is a little different than my normal. But I received this in the mail. They sent this out to me. The review, it looked pretty promising. I've seen a few videos on it. Let's check it out. It has 360, where is it at on the box? Memory programming, multiple direction movement, lasers, all that good stuff, tactical looking. So what comes in the box, you get the, of course, the tank itself, the radio, the batteries, the charger, goggles, screwdriver, and stuff to put the balls in. And you get little beads, and this is the beads, I guess, right here. Gives you 2 batteries. And we're going to pull everything out the box. I'm not going to do a straight unboxing. I already took it out the box, but it comes pretty, the way they boxed it, put it in the box is awesome. I mean, they got it well protected. You could throw that thing around all over the place and nothing's going to happen to it, how they box it up. This would be a good Christmas present. That's why I wanted to do this before Christmas. It seems to be awesome. Like, I drove it a little bit. It's a nice little rig. I'm going to show you what comes in the box. Then I'm gonna show you the tank itself, so stay tuned. And you get this user manual, the V997, which I definitely will need this. You get your bottle so you can put the beads in, and the funnel. In this package, you get the 2 chargers. You can hook them up to your computer USB chargers, which I ain't got no choice. You got a screwdriver, and you got an antenna in there. And what's that little thing right there? What's this? And that's the cap for your antenna. You got the 2 batteries here. You can see the charge of the battery in this little indicator right here. Once you hook them up to the vehicle, you'll see what your charge is at. And here go your transmitter. A little small there. It's like playing a video game, especially when you get good at it. And I was good at video games. That's why my name is Philly Storage RC. Here go the truck. Come in 2 pieces. You got the top piece right here. And you see these little magnets. Okay, there we go. Now we can see the little magnets there. So what you do with this is you line them up. See right there, the wire in the back. Hook that up like that, and there you go. Ain't going nowhere. You can pull it off. But it locks right into place. And I like how it's made. It's really plasticky. You know, the radio is plasticky. It feels, I don't know, let's see. Oh, look at them sides back there. That thing's okay. So here you go. You got your gun here. You got your laser right there, if you can see it. I won't put the laser. That's illegal to put lasers in people's eyes and carrying on. You got your little cage right here that lifts up. I'm gonna add some action figures to this, man. I can see them now hanging off. My Joes hanging off. I wish I had 2 of these. I'll have a whole scenario to these things, man. But yeah, this is the tank. I like the look of it, man. It looks very mean. And here underneath, that's why you get that screwdriver. So you get underneath there, you unscrew this. And I don't know what this is. This is the off and on button right here. You got a speaker back here. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's anything. No, it's this hard plastic on it, but this is hard plastic. It's not no flexible plastic. This ain't meant to be bashed. It's hard plastic all around. It's not really heavy, light. This would make an awesome Christmas present for someone, for your kids. What I want to do, I want to cut her on for you guys so you can see, check her out, the lights and all that stuff. And this is how you take the battery out. I'm gonna show you how to access the battery. Use that little screwdriver they gave you. This off by this right here. This thing is small. This is a small screwdriver. Oh, what's heavy in this screwdriver, boy, I tell you. So, now here go the battery. You see the connector, so you know which way to put it. And let's see if the indicators come on. Put this where it's supposed to be at, because then you'll be doing what I'm doing now. Can't get it out. Definitely lay this down first. Common sense stuff, but y'all know I ain't got that really. Oh, guess that means it's on. I don't see the indicator. Whoa. All right. So we're gonna put this back on. Here we go. Yeah, I noticed the throttle response is instant, so you don't have no doesn't have that that ease into the throttle, so that's what I've seen so far. But here go the movements of the gun. And let's see. Yo, what does these do? I think I should have read the instructions. Think that cuts the speaker off. Whoa. Yeah, that cuts the speaker off. Look like some Terminator stuff right there. This reminds me of two different things, Terminator and Halo. So you can hit that button right there with the speaker button at, to cut that off. And what other functions? You got 360. Oh, let me see, can I do that on here without breaking something? I do like it. Okay, you're knocking stuff off my table now. I'm gonna put the pellets in it soon, but I wanna drive it. Let's drive it on my shop real quick. Let me try to put this red dot on. Put the red, okay, I found the red dot. This is how you put the red dot on, is this little button right here. What is this? Look, if you do this, let me try to turn it around. Now you hit it again. That's crazy. That's crazy. You can actually program it to do stuff. That's okay. That's what they saying. Memory. All right, I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna try it again. Yeah, that's crazy. This thing is, I like this. I'm gonna do another one. It's gonna take me getting some used to dealing with this. Let's get some target practice in. All right, we're gonna put some pellets in there. So you know, you lift this up right here, you lift that up, and you get the pellets. And I didn't even put the antenna on there yet. I'm gonna get a pack of pellets. I'm not gonna use all of them. Just want to see how it's going, what's gonna do. And the bees. I think you're supposed to wet these. I gotta see. I think you're supposed to put them in water, but we'll find out. Got the red dot up. Put it down. Where the dot goes, that's where the bullet goes. It's not shooting nothing out. Yeah, I added some mortar now. But they sitting there, they starting to grow already. But you guys be the eyes in the air. I'm a time lapse that. I want to see how long it takes for these to get big. So, starting now. Now here they go, all swolled up. Now we're gonna throw them inside the truck, tank. Fire, fire. All right, we got the pellets in there. What, the balls? The BD ball, wet balls. And now fire. Power on. Oh shoot, they ricocheting. I'm gonna shoot at the ground so you guys can see it. I think here hitting stuff and backing. Here hitting the box, it's moving so fast. I wanted to shoot my cat with it, but it sounds like it's hitting too hard. I don't want to hurt my cat now. Let me see if I can find another target so you can see it move. I don't think I ran. Let me check, see if I ran out of balls. Oh yeah, we got plenty of ammo. Plenty of ammunition left. I must have did something wrong. It's not rapid shooting. I mean, it's rapid shooting. Holy. Get her angled right. Oh yeah, put that red dot on there. Fire, fire. Whoa. Out of ammo. Let's add some more bullets. I don't know where my funnel at. Just add them to the top like there, right there. Y'all saw that in the, it still got some left. Like one of them packs, it literally would have more than that if I wouldn't wasted half of them. But you get this whole pack. No, it's not condoms, because that's what I thought. I mean, like condoms. This is protection right here. All right. Actually, I don't know if you've seen that, but when they start to shoot out, you kind of see the balls in the light, the red light. Oh, there go my cat. He lucky. You are lucky, kitty. I ain't gonna shoot the cat. Don't worry, I ain't gonna shoot the cat. I'm all out of bullets anyway. He wanted to see what the noise was. You want to see a shoot, cat? I'm gonna have to shoot away from you. It's gonna be my last one. The cat want to see how it operates. Oh yeah, I shouldn't be even doing these. He might try to eat it. Oh man, I'm gonna have to clean this. I'm gonna have to do a cleanup when I'm finished. Watch this, cat submitting. Look. He don't like that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a cleanup when I'm finished. He loved these cars. My cat loved these cars, man. I don't think he liked this one too much though. Now he see it shoots. I don't like that sound. Yeah, I really do like it. A little dangerous. I figured out what this goes to. It goes to the lens. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm eating right now. I shouldn't did that while I'm making the video. Put that on the lens so the red beam won't be so tense, because you don't want to hit nobody's eye by accident, because it could blind somebody. But yeah, I enjoyed this. It is toy grade. It is toy grade, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I like it. It's just a little, you know, be careful. Make sure you don't hit animals with it, because it like from my experience from hitting the box, how it impacted on the box, it's pretty hard. But you're hitting anybody with. Just set up a little target practice and, you know, play around. I have a whole scenario in my head where I want to get another one of these. This one will be the Cobras. And then I want the white one for G.I. Joe's. So I'm going to have a whole scene on there, a little skit for that. But yeah, I would get this. The price of it is $100 and something, but I'm going to leave everything in the description below where you can pick it up at. You can see the price and all the specs, see if it's worth getting, which it is. It's nice. This is nice. You know what I mean? This is something, it's a little plain looking. Now, it is plain looking. It is plain looking. They should have added some stickers to it, but certain kind of stickers. Like me personally, I'm going to add some Joe stickers to this. This is a tactical vehicle, so tactical vehicles don't be all stickered up anyway. You know, imagine just adding a little more guns just for show. You got this little vent right here, which I'm gonna put some Joes right here, probably one right here. Somebody holding on somewhere. I'm telling you, it's gonna be an awesome little video I'm gonna try to do here. I want to see if they're gonna send me out the white one, because they sent me this one to review it, and the review is yes, definitely get this for a child. Maybe you can get it for adults, because I enjoyed it. So you figure it doesn't matter your age, you'll probably enjoy this. It's just be careful. You gotta take some getting used to, but the controller has nice response time. Just remember, the throttle is not controlled. It's all or nothing. When you go for it, ain't no easing for it. You're going full throttle for it, full throttle back, sideways, whichever way you point it. You're going full throttle, but it's not that fast. Just in small areas. I'm in my basement with it. I do want to take it outside to see how it handles outside. But so this one of them things you probably just have in the house, play around with your kids and your animals. Don't play with the animals with that. Don't do that. Don't do that. But yeah, I like it. I like it. So hopefully I'll get the white one soon, so I can do that G.I. Joe Cobra scenario, because that thing gonna be awesome. I'm gonna bring the whole kid out of me on that video. So stay tuned for that. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.